Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Venmo payment declined. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So these days, most people use their smartphones to make digital payments and bank transfers. So depending on whichever operating system you use, either Android or iOS, you can follow these troubleshooting tips to fix the declined transaction issue on your Venmo. So first, what you can do is just simply update the Venmo app. So here are the steps to update the Venmo app to a newer version on your device. So first, if you're using an Android, you can follow the steps right here. So just open the Play Store app and just tap onto the Gmail avatar and go to the Manage Apps and Device, and then just tap onto the updates available, and if the Venmo has an update pending tab, the just tap the update button to get started. And then if you're using an iOS device, you can follow the steps right here. So just launch the App Store app and tap onto the Apple ID avatar and just scroll through the apps listed for an update. So if Venmo is listed, just tap onto the update button to install the new version. And then next, what you can do is to use Wi-Fi network instead of mobile data while using Venmo. So mobile data is often slow as compared to the stable Wi-Fi internet. So make sure your Android or iOS device is connected to a Wi-Fi network, because usually when a payment declines, the money doesn't get debited from your account. So even if it gets debited and doesn't get credited to the payee's account, the amount gets rolled back to your account. So you can connect to your device to a Wi-Fi network and retry the payment. So otherwise, you can toggle between flight modes on your Android or iOS phones to fix the network issues. And then next, what you can do is just pay using other payment methods. So in today's era, there are a lot of alternatives for digital payments which you can easily use from your smartphone. So if the payment on Venmo is getting declined, then try using other prominent digital payment apps such as Google Pay, Square, or even PayPal. So you may perform a direct transaction from your bank account to the recipient's bank account. While it may sound funny, but pay in cash if possible. So if it is a smaller transaction and the business accepts cash, then a cash payment would get your job done. And then next, what you can do is to check if your bank card has expired. So a credit or debit card has an expiry date that is mentioned on the card. So you need to check and ensure that the concerned card you want to use has not expired yet. The expiry date for any credit or debit card is mentioned in the month by year format. So if it is available, or check that in your card. So for example, if the credit card expiry date is mentioned as 9/24. So this means the expiry date is on September 2024. So once the month is complete, the card will stop functioning. So if you find out that the card has expired, then just reach out to your bank and follow the necessary function or necessary steps to apply for a new card. And then next, you can go ahead and update your account information on your Venmo. So to make account management simple on Venmo, you can follow these steps right here. So first, you'll need to create your account on your Venmo and just to link your bank account onto the Venmo profile. And you can then verify your account by following the instructions on your Venmo. So without verifications, any transaction you proceed with will be promptly declined by Venmo. Also, while adding your bank details to Venmo, ensure that you are entering the correct name you have submitted to your bank, so that the correct bank account number and the banking codes. So if you have an account created in a new bank and you want to use that on Venmo, then just update information accordingly on Venmo. Just remove the older bank account and integrate a new one. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.